Everybody, today I'm gonna fry some chicken. I'm using this one. See this one? I bought this one from Vietnamese shop. Let's do it. Now we're gonna put our chicken in our oil. Our oil is hot now. Yeah, look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's a big chicken. I only use this mix. You see it? I bought it from Vietnam shop. Yeah. Chicken's too big, right? He's so big. He's alright. Our chicken nearly ready. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Okay guys, our chicken's ready now, I think. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, beautiful, right? Time to serve the chicken. Alright guys, this is our chicken. You know, when you want to fry your chicken like this, man, easy way to do it. Just go to the Asian shop, buy one of this guy, follow the instruction. Instruction. Yeah, and you just put in the chicken, oil, and done. Hey. Man. This is really, really crunchy. Nice. Look at this. You don't have to buy KFC, man. Just buy the flour, the mix. You can do it yourself. Sorry. You can do it yourself. Do it. Sorry. And you can do your own frying chicken. Yeah. Everywhere. Just chicken crunch. Look at that. It's too hot. It's really hot. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Subscribe and like. I appreciate everything. Thank you so much. And this is our chicken today. Cheese. Thank you very much. Bye.